Hello guys and welcome. I'm back again. This time, can you tell the difference? Yes, I am using a camcorder. So everything's gonna be a lot nicer. First thing I'm gonna do is shoot some cans with the first recording of a camcorder. So yeah, sit back, enjoy, and enjoy the ride, I guess. There you go again. This time, just zoom out. Oh, let's zoom. There we go. Hope that looked a lot better with the camcorder. I'm sort of zoomed in now. There we go. Look at that. Is that the ants? Oh my god. Ants. I hate them. Wow. Well, there you go. Shooting cans with a tape recorder. Been good now. So now I'll be able to do a lot better videos. So, see you next time.